Facebook, YouTube, we're in Waterloo, Illinois today. My sanding team is here doing about 1,100 square feet, including the stairs. Let me show you what we're doing. You got just regular clear coat. We already got this sanded down to raw wood. We got him on the barrel sander. We already edged it. And basically, guys, this floor had a lot of scratches. Let me show you. See all those dog scratches? That's from dogs. So we're gonna sand all those out, and then we're gonna stain it with dark walnut with a satin sheen. That's what we're doing here today, and the client's gonna love it. So everything responded very well. They're flattening it out. They did start with a 36 grit, and they're gonna go up from there, but we still got an edge right here, as you can see. As you guys know, we cover everything that we need to cover. Cover this up, and then we remove the appliances. Cover this up here. We're very thorough. So yeah, that way we can get underneath the appliances. We're also going to do the railings too, this, and the baseboards. You guys can see. We're going to come back in the carpet in a week. See, we created a barrier there. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Right. All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, we are staining now. They got the floors prepped, and the guys did tell me a lot of times, everything goes smoothly, but they had to prep this floor real aggressively with a 36 grit. They told me over 3 or 4 times, and sometimes that happens, but we make sure that it is really opened up and ready for the staining process. So they're staining now, as you can see. We're doing the staircase as well. And we always kind of advise what we recommend. So we're going to paint these white. We're going to do the baseboards white so it matches the white over here. And that's going to be really nice. So they're staining it now. And then we're going to stain these areas over here. And then once we put the stain down of the dark walnut, then we got to let that cure for 24 hours because it is oil-based. And then we're going to come back tomorrow and then put the first coat of polyurethane. And then after that, we'll wait till that dries 24 hours and put another coat of poly, probably on Sunday, as we're discussing, because the homeowners are coming back on Tuesday morning. So then we can put everything back after that. So yeah, guys, it's going good. The floors look great. Everything came out and off. All the scratches, it's nice and level, as you guys can see. And that's what you want whenever you do a full sanding. So, all right, guys, we're going to let the guys get to it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more results. right, guys, another update. We're again doing all the staining process now. You can see we always prep and safeguard steps and everything like that, and tape everything off. Prepping is the details that we do, and my team, AO team, is really good at doing that. Is you see, kind of prep, make sure everything is protected, as well as your guys' baseboards, things like that. Right there, and we've been protected these areas over here. So that's what we do, guys. Is all in the prep and the details. Make sure we have a smooth process whenever we protect the floors and sand and refinish them. So that's what we're doing, guys. It's going really good. The team is at it.
Deep green, you gotta push it in there.
They even protect the wall here. So, all right, guys, it's going good. And when we put the polyurethane as well on this, it's gonna look really good and make these everything really pop. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube, Facebook, we're here on the job again. Let's check out the floors that the team stained yesterday, as you guys can see. Dark walnut. Now we're just waiting for that to dry a little bit more. We're gonna apply a top coat of poly. The team's doing the railings now, as you guys can see. This here. Looks good. Looks good. Perfect. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, another important step when we prep is de-hairing the roller. This is another step of how we prep, guys. Check it out. Let's go. Beautiful. That way no hair gets into your finish. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we are at the job site today. Today is Tuesday, believe it or not, 23rd. And look at these floors, guys, absolutely stunning. We did do this full sand, stain and recoat of dark walnut with the satin sheen. And again, these floors are like somebody sprayed them on. The team is always excited to show me, and I'm always excited to see it. So right now we're painting the spindles white. We did recommend this to a client and they loved it. And then we did this, sanded and stained those, dark walnut. Looks fantastic. This is the foyer area. These floors look like they're exotic. A lot of character, a lot of grains popping out. And yeah, guys, absolutely stunning. Check that out. You have to be here to do it justice, but this turned out absolutely stunning. Kitchen. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right, guys, as always, let us know if we can help you out. We love hardwoods. We love saving them. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. AOCleaning here. The sanding team just got finished. Check it out, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We did the railings white, the baseboard and side white, and the rest is dark walnut and the satin sheen. It was just natural oak, natural common red oak, and then we did stain it, and recoat it. So, excuse me, absolutely stunning, guys. Highly recommend getting this done. Beautiful. Clients are coming in. They were on vacation for about a week, and they're coming back in today, this afternoon, to check it out. So we're excited to show them. As always, in the service, reach out. We got you covered. Stay tuned for a testimonial. All right, Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here, AOCleaning. We are at our client's house today. They just got back from vacation, and they just were so excited to see the floors, the end result. We were able to sand, and recoat their floors with dark walnut, the satin sheen, and guys, they absolutely love it. And they came to share their experience with our service here today, and here they are.
Yeah, we couldn't be any happier with the whole process. Ryan and his team, the quoting process, the professionalism, to the workmanship, just the way everything had turned out. They said they were going to be here a certain day, no delays. They showed up prompt that day. They finished the job on time. They made some recommendations during the process where we changed things up midstream, and their recommendations were on point and new to their experience. They knew what would look good, and we couldn't be any happier. It really turned out great.
Perfect. We appreciate that. Thank you. And Miss Jan, anything I can say?
I couldn't be more excited. Our house, we live in our home. We've been here about 18 years, so we've got boys that have had cleats, ice skates. So we actually live in our home. We don't have it as a museum. And the floor had its love marks everywhere. We kept raising 3 kids and running around and cooking. Kitchen was a big part of my world, so you will see that I had dropped some things, but you can't tell that right now. It looks so much better, and it's such a nice sheen, and it's a nice character. You'll see where there's some love from my puppy dog, and from our rugs. My dog licked the carpet, licked the floor, and he had paws, a big fat 80-pound black dog, golden retriever. So after they resanded it, I can't tell where Zamboni's been. So it's been a really nice experience, and I'm really glad and really proud of our home. So much that, I'm kind of concerned maybe I don't want to list it now.
There you go. That's awesome. Well, guys, appreciate you so much. Thank you for that testimonial. And guys, if you guys are watching, if you want our service, please reach out. We're more than happy to help you. And guys, congratulations, and we hope you sell it.